Welcome friends. In energy conservation and audit subject, today I am going to explain you Energy Conservation Act 2001. So let's start. Energy Conservation Act, it is an act related with the how to conserve the electricity that has been in, started or established in on 1st October 2001 and effectively implemented in our Indian laws from 1st March 2002. Objective of providing necessary legal framework for promoting energy conservation measures in the country. Bureau of Energy Efficiency BEE operationalized from 1 March 2002. So BEE has been started with Energy Conservation Act 2001. The purpose behind this act is to provide for efficient use of energy and conservation, provide a policy framework and direction to national energy conservation activities, coordinate policies and program on efficient use of energy, establish systems and procedure to verify measures and monitor electrical improvement, leverage multilateral, bilateral and private sector supports to implement the ECA Act, demonstrate electricity delivery system through public-private partnership to promote energy efficiency in the country. Basically, the motto is to promote energy conservation in country. Important feature of this act are energy conservation building code, standard and labeling, demand side management, batch lamp bachat lamp yojana, promoting energy efficiency in small and medium enterprise SME sector, designated consumers, certification of energy manager and auditors. So in first step, standard and labeling, we will give some stars to our consumers. So these kind of things we will provide with the equipments, like which type of power consumption can be possibly done with the equipment, that can be easily understood by the consumer with this chart. So this pamphlet you can observe that 1 star means higher power consumption and 4 star means lower power consumption. So by this way easily you can purchase the equipment that can consume less electricity. Next step is designated consumer. It means that get energy audit by accredited energy audit firms and energy audit conducted by an accredited energy auditor. That means you have, if you have any firm, then you have to conduct energy audit for your firm every year. This is the implementation, because of implementation of 2001 law. Okay, implement cost effective recommendation, appoint or designate energy manager, comply with energy consumption norms by regulating BEE to prescribe qualification and certification procedure for energy manager and energy auditor, accreditation procedure for the energy audit firm. Third step is energy conservation building code. So basically BEE provide guidelines on energy conservation for building codes to provide minimum requirement for the energy efficient design and construction of buildings. That can be, means we have to utilize more and more free resources like sun energy. We can use, as in picture itself shows, that windmill we can install for farm, or solar power we can utilize. Mandatory for commercial buildings having connected load more than or equal to 500 kilowatt or connected demand is more than 600 kVA. Also applicable for air conditioned area of more than or equal to 1000 square kilometer. Means these norms are applicable for three type of means in three categories we can apply this for the establishment of building. If you have 500 kilowatt more than or equal to 500 kilowatt load, or your demand is more than or equal to 600 kVA, or if you have a AC hall which will be around approximately equal to or more than 1000 square feet meter. Okay, so that time you have to go through this energy building course. Energy conservation fund, to set up energy conservation fund for promoting of energy service companies, research and development, demonstration, creation of testing facilities, awareness creation. Means you whatever advertisement we see nowadays on a television or on FM radios to save or conserve the energy, that are required some funds, and government also have adjustment for this under this fourth section. Fifth is Bureau of Energy Efficiency, means BEE. This has been established in with the 2001 Electricity Act, but it has been implemented from March 2002. So the role of BEE, Bureau of Energy Efficiency, are implementation of provision of Energy Conservation Act, means how the firm or the company has been effectively implement the Energy Conservation Act, that can be observed by this agency. Second is quick coordination, policy research, promotion of energy efficiency, development of new financial instrument, development of ESCOs. The primary objective would be reduce energy intensity in Indian economy and awareness. Role of Bureau of Energy Efficient is, the role of BEE would be to prepare standard and labeled of appliances and equipments, develop a list of designated consumers, specify certification and accreditation procedure, preparing building codes, maintain central EC fund, and undertake promotional activities in coordination with central and state level agencies. So basically entire things which has been explained in 2001 code or act, that has been followed by each and every organization, and are they following or not, that can be observed with the BEE or Bureau of Energy Efficiency. The role of would include development of ESCOs, transforming the market of energy efficiency, and create awareness through measure including clearing house. Next is central. For central level, it has been it to notify rules and regulation under various provision of the act, provide initial financial assistance to BEE and EC fund, coordinate with various state government for notification, penalties and adjudication. At state level, to amend energy conservation building code to suit the regional and local climatic condition, to designate state level agencies to coordinate. So basically we have central and state level, two parts of our BEE. They have to follow the rules from center as well as state. Bachat lamp Yojana, first pilot project has been registered by United Nations with 2008. National rollout to be take place shortly. Target 400 million incandescent lamp. Nowadays we have this is the best example, that when they have planned, they are started with CFL, means to provide CFL in place of incandescent lamp. But from last 2 to 3 years, our state level or in central, according to central guidelines, we have taken a decision that replace this CFL lamp with LED lamps, and now the BEE are providing the consumers or electricity consumers a discount rated LED lamps. So this is the activity which has been completed with under the Bachat lamp Yojana. Also there have some penalties, means in under 2001 Act, if you haven't completely follow these rules, then you have to face some penalties. Non compliance by the person, amount not exceeding 10 lakh rupees for each offence. On continuous non-compliance, an additional penalty of 10,000 per day. The initial phase of 5 years would be promotional and creating infrastructure for implementation of act. No penalties will be effective during this place. Means from 2002 to 7 there have no fines, no penalties. Already government have given discounted to establish the facility. Establish the facility means you have to conduct the energy audit, you have to take the suggestion from the recognized energy auditor, and as per his suggestion you have to make the necessary changes in your organization. Once you complete that, then you will be certified with the energy BEE sector officers. But if you haven't, still after 5 years, if you haven't done that corrections, then you can be face the penalties around 10 lakh rupees. And after that, even you still you are not completing the work, then 10,000 per day amendment is also there. So this is the overview of Energy Conservation Act 2001. I hope you understand this. If you have any question, you can ask me in comment box. Thank you very much.